Guys, welcome back to another video. A lot of you guys have been asking how I made my custom masks, so I thought I'll make a video just explaining what I did. Whether you just want some custom masks for yourself or you have a small business like myself and you really want to get some masks out, because with COVID-19 most places are requiring masks everywhere you go. So let's get started. You do not need a push press. I mean, I have one, but I just use my iron. It's simple, it's quick. Took me 10 minutes to do, and all you're really gonna need to get started is an iron, a sheet of paper, a mask obviously, and then if you have a circuit board, you could cut out any design that you want. I didn't want to pay for a circuit board yet, so I just went online and typed in custom vinyl printouts. I sent them over my logo, and it took about a week to get to me, and then I started making them. The first thing you're going to want to do is to cut out your vinyl transfer paper just to the shape of your design. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to heat up your mask for about 30 to 40 seconds just to warm up the area where you're about to press on. Next thing you're going to do is peel off the yellow piece of paper on the back of your vinyl, and just you can lay it down anywhere where you want on the mask, you know, that's really up to preference. And then you're going to put your paper on top of the vinyl, and then you're going to press down for about 30 to a minute. After that, you're gonna wanna let your piece cool down for about a minute until it's warm. You know, you could touch it like when it's warm to your hand. That's when it'll be ready to pull off. Now that we're about to pull off the plastic from the vinyl that we just pushed down, just note, peel it slowly so it doesn't pull up. If for instance, when you guys do it, if yours comes up while you're pulling it, even if it's slow, just put it right back down, put the paper back over, and then push it back down for another 30 seconds or so, and it should be just fine, and you can peel it up and it'll come out good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helps you guys for your small business or custom masks that you guys just want to make for your personal self. Please give me a like and subscribe. Leave comments below if you guys like this video, had any questions, or want me to do a part 2, or need me to go in detail. Thank you.